The restaurantwarehouse.com introduces the Atosa MGF36FGR under-counter commercial freezer. A top-quality under-counter freezer for restaurants, food trucks, or coffee shops. The Atosa under-counter measures 36 3/8 inches wide by 30 inches deep by 34 1/5 inches high with a capacity of 8.7 cubic feet. It offers ample cold storage space for food service. The refrigerant features self-closing door with a stay-open feature. Magnetic door gaskets provide an energy-efficient positive door seal. It comes with digital temperature control, maintaining a range of -8 to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Atosa refrigerators and freezers includes epoxy shelves, allowing for flexible storage. Atosa refrigeration uses a heavy-duty compressor that saves 40% energy compared to conventional compressors. The interior and exterior are made of easy-to-clean stainless steel. The Atosa under-counter refrigerators and under-counter freezers is equipped with pre-installed industrial casters for easy mobility. It uses environmentally friendly R290 Hydrocarbon refrigerant, ensuring efficient cooling. Under-counter refrigerators and under-counter freezers uses environmentally self-contained balanced refrigeration system for commercial kitchens, coffee shops, food trucks, and bars. The Atosa freezer has a 2-year parts and labor warranty and can be upgraded to a 3, 4, or 5-year parts and labor warranty at purchase. The compressor comes with a 5-year warranty. Atosa refrigeration is ETL listed, tested and certified. The unit complies with all United States NSF restaurant equipment safety standards. All Atosa restaurant equipment comes with free freight to your restaurant. Financing for a low monthly payment is available at therestaurantwarehouse.com.